Hey, what's up, you guys? Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, we're going to talk about what to do when work is slowing down. What do you do when you're getting less phone calls coming in? What do you do when it just seems like there's not enough leads? Maybe your pipeline is drying up. Maybe you've had to lay off some people just because you don't have enough work coming in right now to be able to feed your guys enough work. So in this video, I'm going to give you some really practical tips you can do in response to that to help fill up your pipeline again and make it through seemingly tough times. So the first thing to do whenever your phone stops ringing or whenever you are having like a lack of work coming in is consider doing a follow-up campaign. What is a follow-up campaign? What this is you should have a list of people that you have given an estimate to, or you have followed up with a couple times, or maybe just for whatever reason they slipped through the cracks. And right now, if your phone isn't ringing very much and you're looking to take on some more work, a follow-up campaign is probably one of the best things that you could do, because you already know that those people in your pipeline are interested in what you offer and you can easily contact them with a new offer, right? So maybe right now things are slow, but if you have a list of people that you've contacted in the past or they have been interested in what you do in the past, then you could easily call them up or send them an email or whatever means necessary to be able to follow up with them, but you could give them a pretty special offer to entice them to get started, right? Maybe you say something like, hey, like I know last time when we were talking, you said that it wasn't the right time, or maybe that it was too much money, whatever the reason is. But you could come back at them with a new offer and you could make it very irresistible. Maybe you could say something like, hey, for this month only, we're doing this type of promotion. You get, I don't know, XYZ% off if you want to do a discount. You could do also like, hey, you just put down XYZ amount to get started, then we have a payment plan. Or, hey, if you get started before this date, we throw in this free thing. So you could get creative, and this is going to be a really good way for you to be able to fill up your pipeline again, maybe during slower times with people who already showed intent and interest to buy from you, but just for whatever reason, it wasn't the right time for them. So maybe you could create an opportunity for them to want to reach out or work with you right now, right? And so that would be a really good thing for you to do right now. If maybe your follow-up hasn't been so good in the past, that would be an opportunity for you to take advantage of right now. The second thing that you can do, and a lot of contractors struggle with this mindset, is the concept of planting seeds. A lot of contractors want to just like basically get quick wins, right? They want to get someone, call them and say, hey, I'm interested in getting my roof done. And then they send over the deposit and they get started right away. But the reality is with marketing or any kind of advertising, most of it is going to come down to planting seeds. And the more seeds that you plant, it's kind of like farming. The more seeds that you plant, you're going to get a higher yield, right? And so right now, if the phone isn't ringing for you, maybe it's a little bit late to the game to start planting seeds, but that doesn't mean that while you're doing your follow-up campaign, you can't at least start. And this is why doing something like an awareness campaign right now would be a really good idea, because if it's getting slow for you right now with the way that the economy is working, and none of us know anything, right? We don't know what's going to happen, but right now would probably be a very good time to start planting seeds, because there's typically a delay time with that, right? When you run an awareness campaign, you're introducing people to your brand and what you do. And so maybe they're not even aware yet that they have this problem, but by creating that awareness and then they're seeing your brand over time from a marketing campaign, this is something that you're planting seeds for the future, right? You're building out a pipeline for the future. Maybe you don't get paid right now today because maybe the timing or whatever today isn't right for that person, but down the line you are planting those seeds and you're creating an investment into your future sale that's going to be coming, right? And so this concept of planting seeds, again, I know it's not a very popular concept because so many contractors are always saying, we only want the serious leads. We want people who are serious buyers right now. But literally all that means is that's just someone who's further down the buying cycle or the sales cycle, and they've done all the research, they've done all the education, like they know exactly what they're looking for and they're ready to buy right now. That's like 5% of the market, right? The other 95% of the market, you need to plant those seeds, create that awareness, and bring them down that journey, right? And so that's why right now you should be thinking to yourself, how can I do an awareness campaign, maybe anything basically, to start planting these seeds for the future? Because while you're doing your follow-up, you need to be able to thinking about too, not just 1 month from now, but also 6 months from now, right? And so very, very important to do. The third thing is that if you're in the stage right now where things have really slowed down for you, maybe you're getting a lot less calls, a lot less leads, your pipeline is drying up, it would be a very good idea for you to start creating a solid marketing plan right now. Because if things are slowing down, then in the next 6 months, you want something to implement to be able to protect yourself and build that back up, because maybe you've neglected having a marketing plan for a long time. Maybe you have mostly relied on like one source of leads or referrals or something for a long time, and you haven't been doing a lot of marketing, and so you never really had a plan. Well, now would be a really good time to start creating a marketing plan so that you can position yourself in the right position for the future to protect yourself and to continue to grow, right? If that's what you want. And so if you don't know how to make a marketing plan, you can head over to my website, savantmarketingagency.com. You can actually request for a strategy call, and I'll make a plan for you, and I'll show you exactly what you can do there. Also, if you want to have a quick look, in this group, I've got some marketing audits absolutely free that you can check out some videos, and I'll literally show you over my shoulder of some of the changes that I would make and some of the implementations I would do for a marketing campaign as well. So I encourage you to check that out. If you want me to just send you that audit right away, you can also just message me or comment below, and I can just send you over that audit so you can check that out for yourself. And also, if you want a marketing plan, comment marketing plan below, and I can send you over our website and you can check that out as well. Again, definitely really important right now to have a plan, planting seeds, creating a marketing plan. And if you want quick wins right now and you're trying to maybe pick up some slack, following up in your pipeline is probably one of the best things that you could do right now to help fill up your pipeline and start getting some deals coming through. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions right now, you can comment below, ask away. Other than that, guys, hope you have a good rest of your day, and we'll talk again real soon. Bye.